It's okay. Because this video is not about me looking cute. It's about me deep cleaning my depressive episode room. So I have not been doing that mentally well for the last couple of weeks, and you can definitely see it in my room. The ADHD is ADHDing. So in order for me to really get back together, or at least try, I need to do something with the room because it is very overwhelming. I'm stepping on everything. My clean clothes are like discombobulated, and I just need to do something about it. I got off work at 6. Probably came home around like 7, to be honest, and 8. That was productive, I guess. And I went on Instagram and was kind of like bed rotten. So I was like, no, let me get myself up. I've been doing really good, posting every day this week. And let's not chicken out on the last day. So this is probably going to be up late, but it's going to be up. And I'm really proud of myself for doing that because I've been trying to do like an everyday upload for at least 1 week at the beginning of the month for forever. But now it's actually happening. It's already a minute into this video, so I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to show you the room because yeah, I'm not really happy with it. And like I said, don't judge me. This is me being depressed and just have everything out. And it's like my room is already all, oh Lord, my room is already small. So when it's like cluttered, it's cluttered, please. Like I said, please don't judge me. This is just, I'm a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm trying my best. So what I am going to do is kind of like turn on the TV, vibe out, and do what I need to do. I'm probably going to clear the area of my bed. I'm probably just going to put everything on the floor so I can make up the bed. I'm actually going to, I know what I'm going to do because it's like my bed is broke and there's no point of me getting a new bed because something is coming up and I'll let y'all know. But I'm going to fix the boards that's under it. I'm going to make it up because I haven't made up my bed in forever. I'm going to get the stuff off of the dresser and then I'm going to really start picking up everything. Most of the stuff that's on the floor is like clean clothes and just like stuff that needs to be put in their place. So it's not as bad as it used to get, which I'm also happy about, but it's messing with my mentee. We got to get that together. So let's go.
Huh, boy, say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful?
I'm already getting overwhelmed because it's like, what do I do?
I hope she's cool, unlike you.
You already know it's bad when you're snacking because your anxiety is so high. You have to do something, but you can't do what you actually need to do because your anxiety is so high. Because you got anxiety.
Your full girlfriend, no, cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons.
Alright, I decided to take everything off, but I don't have no cleaning solution. But you know what? It's okay. I got a broom. I'm just gonna keep it, clean-ish, tidy it up, and then when I actually get cleaning solution, I'll go over it. Hopefully when I do get it that I'll feel like doing it. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. Let me go back to my hair blender.
Boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even pathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel...
I know that probably wasn't like the greatest angles, but y'all don't know how hard it was for me to like actually do that. It's times where like I would look back at the camera like, oh shit, I actually got to do this. I got really overwhelmed when I tried to lift up that mattress in the box spring. But yeah, we're almost done. You know what I said to myself? I was like, I get to light a candle after this. So stay strong, B. Stay strong. I also was thinking about just throwing the clothes back on the floor, but we're not going to do that. We are just going to fold, and I am going to talk as I fold, and hopefully this is not an hour because I have to edit this and then post it the same night that y'all are watching. Well, the same night, you know what I'm trying to say. Jesus Lord. Okay, so I am trying to get on my mental health kick for the longest, but I feel like this is like not right now, but lately I've been having more of a surreal moment, and I figure out what I needed to really start it and stick, instead of just like, oh, I'm gonna be healthy as a lifestyle and only stay for about a month and then winning off under that month. I need to leave. I feel that will be best for me. Everything closer. But I feel like I'm about to be 25. What? That's crazy. I'm still living at home, which I don't pay rent, but I'm paying with my mental health. And that's getting sucky. I got a part-time job, but it pays good. So, I've been weighing out all of my, marbles. And I'm just focusing on that right now. And I felt like the only thing I could control was me actually like posting videos. Because right now, like, my car is, ugh. This is, ugh. It's work, and sometimes it's, ugh. Like, everybody's leaving, and I'm like, no, don't go. But I understand. So, I'm just trying to get everything together. Even when my head is like, girl, please. But that's what's going on with me, and why my room got so bad again. Like I keep telling myself, I am doing this so I can light a candle, so I can, wake up without moving 50 things with my foot, so I can put my foot on the ground. And that's just seeing like the overview of my room. It's not a lot of room. Oh, and I got a TV. So my friend, so sweet, she was like, you can get this TV, girl. I was like, oh, thank you, because I never had a TV. I mean, I had a TV like when I was 5 or 4 with the Dora TV, but that one ended up taken from me and got broken. And that was legit that I had like my own personal TV. That was also before they start having all those kids. So yeah, I am not folding up these. I'm just gonna put them in the drawer. Is it weird that I keep my Ivy Park separate from the rest of my other stuff? And everything that I'm going to hang, I'll just lay. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's updated. That's what's new. Underwear. And, I'm trying to just keep getting hours so I can get to that goal faster. I'm starting to go out more. Which was actually on my mood board. I went club hopping, y'all. I didn't mean to, but it happened, and it was actually fun. Not a drinker. Not a drinker. I am not a drinker. I'm gonna say this one more time. I am not a drinker. That's not my cup of tea, okay? It's not. And my friend, as soon as she heard that Sir Davis was out, she was like, "You're gonna get a bottle, aren't you?" You know what? I probably will, but it wouldn't be for drinking. It will be for decor. It might be for the people that actually drink, because they was like, "Oh, this is liquor." Not for me. But I do, you know, I would love to support. Beehive all day, every day. Certified at that. I am not a drinker at all, y'all. I've tried multiple times, different things. Maybe a little wine. But even like the wine, I can't like goggle down. That's not like a, no, I can't do that.
I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision. I'm grinding on.
I'm done. I wanted to make sure that I actually like put up the clothes, because I am that girly that will like, oh, I did everything, I folded, and I just put them to the side and they become unfolded into pounds and mess again, and I can't breathe. But I did it. I'm going to show you the room, my little room. Everything is much better. It's where everything needs to be. It's saying more light. It's probably fuzzy. You get the idea. You get the gist. You get the gist. It's the little wins in life. But I'm going to go ahead and cut it off right here. I'm happy that I did do it, because now like I said, I get to breathe. But there are more videos to come. I'm thinking about posting all Mondays and all Thursdays. I won't be doing this every week thing. I proved to myself that I can do it. Maybe next month I actually do it at 8 o'clock on all of them. Baby steps, baby steps. We're getting there. So if you want to see more videos, I'll have them link, and go watch them, subscribe, and like, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, my loves. Mwah.
Hey, better way.